Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I have my samples to share with you from last week, so we're going to talk about everything, whether they were good or they were bad, and whether I would consider purchasing these items. So the first thing I have here is the Drunk Elephant. This is the 7 daily doses of vitamins for your face. So it has the B Hydra as well as the C Firma, so there were 7 different samples. So I have used them. Oops, I just dropped a bunch. I've used them all, so they're all just stuffed in here like where they've been opened and everything, just to show you that I did use these. I really like the C serum, but I typically like to use the C serum in the daytime and the nighttime. So when I would use it in the daytime, I found that my skin was really sticky, and it's because the C serum that they make is a little bit more sticky than most of the C serums that I've tried before, but it's really good. I did notice a brightening effect over the week of trying it out. My skin looks a lot brighter, and I had a lot of acne issues going on. It seemed to help to diminish the look of those as well. The B Hydra, it's not super hydrating for me. I think it's not my favorite personally because I have very dry skin. If you have maybe normal skin, I think it would be better for your skin type. For me, it's just not quite hydrating enough, even in the summertime, because my skin, I just need something super hydrating, and it just didn't feel like it was quite enough. It was nice for like a daytime moisturizer, but for the nighttime, there's no way that I would be able to use the B Hydra for nighttime. So it's good. The one that I would consider purchasing out of those is the C Firma Day Serum, just because I know it's really, really nice and it does work for my skin. It seems to help to diminish the darkness that I have on my skin. I do have melasma, I have acne, pigmentation, like scars, so it helped to really diminish the look of those. The next thing is this Givenchy. This is the I Was Here. This is the Rouge Interdit. So this came with 3 different samples here. You got 3 different lip colors. I don't love bright colors. You guys know that. I'm not a huge person. I don't love to wear bright colors. I feel like it just makes me step too far outside of my comfort zone. And not only that, I find that I end up getting it all over my face or all over my teeth. I'm just really messy with it. I'm just not someone who's really good with dark lip colors. The only dark lip colors that I find that I can wear is the Maybelline, the ink ones. Those I can wear because they don't smudge, they don't budge, they don't go anywhere. The one that I liked out of this is the number 10, the Boyish Rose. That one is beautiful. I love that color. There's a ton of products in these, so I'm still going to use these up until they're completely empty, because there's no point in tossing those because it's beautiful lip colors. It's not my comfort zone, but they're still really pretty, so I'm going to continue using these up. Would I purchase any of these? Yes, the Boyish Rose is the one that I have been wanting for a while. Actually, I've been wanting to purchase a Givenchy lipstick, so because I think that they are very hydrating for your lips, and yet they're nice. They have good pigmentation. They do move around a little bit on your lips, but it is not anything terrible. So even with the darker colors, it was a little bit bleeding like into my outer parts of my lips, and then not only that, I was getting it on my teeth, but that's like user error. That's not the lipstick's fault. So I do like those, and the Boyish Rose is the one that I personally would purchase. The next thing is the L'Oreal Serie Expert. This is the color 10 in 1. So I try to scrape off the little sticker here so we could see what that was under there. This is basically a product you put in your hair like after you've washed it. It's basically like it's a 10. That's exactly what it does. It's going to protect your hair. It does all kinds of things for like helping your hair as far as like when you're putting heat on it and things like that. It smells really good. It's got a really nice scent to it, so I love the way it smells. It's pretty, like the consistency is very similar to the It's a 10. It's like not too watery, but it's not too like lotion like. I'll show you. So it's like that. So it's kind of like a lotion, but it's kind of like a liquid, and it's like a mix in between. So it's perfect for your hair if you want to put this in your hair. I don't like to spray it in my hair. I like to put it in my hands and then rub my hands together and then rub it throughout my hair. That's the way I like to use it personally. And it felt like it did a good job for my hair. My hair has been feeling like it's looking a little bit better. But then again, I did change shampoos throughout this week as well. So there's a different shampoo that I've started. And I think that might have been like a key factor as well. So I don't think it was just the product that I was using from L'Oreal. I think it might be my new shampoo. So I'm not really sure which it is so far. So I think I'm going to continue using this because there's a ton in here. I don't put that much in my hair because I don't want to weigh it down. My hair, I have very fine hair, so I don't want to weigh it down too much by putting a lot of product in it. So I didn't use a ton of this. I used enough just to give my hair a nice coverage. So I am going to use this more and try to determine if it really does do a good job for my hair. But so far, this is something I would say I would definitely purchase. So far, so good. The next thing is from YSL. This is the Touche Eclat LeTeint Radiance Awakening Foundation. This is beautiful in the skin. I thought for sure the shade B50 Honey would be way too dark for me. It was definitely a little bit dark when I put it on. You could definitely see a little bit of like face and neck difference, but I just blended it down a little bit further and it worked really well. This sample packet was plenty enough for me to cover my whole face and to bring it down my neck. It was beautiful. It was really beautiful on the skin. I love how it just kind of looked like skin, but yet it had really good coverage to it. Not only that, it kind of gave my skin like a satin-like appearance, so it didn't look dry or dull. It just looked really beautiful. So this is another one that I would definitely consider purchasing. The next thing is my perfumes. I must have lost some samples or something because I think I should have more. Oh wait, I didn't pull as many skincare, that's why. So I have the Jo Malone. This is the Jo Malone London. I'm pretty sure someone had mentioned that this is a men's cologne, but I don't care. I think it smells amazing. So I love the Jo Malone scents. I think they just smell really, really good. Then the Aqua de Gioia. This is the one by Giorgio Armani. This one smells really good too. It's more of a, I would say it's more of like a, trying to think of what it kind of reminds me of. It reminds me of like CK1, where it's just a very light fragrance. It almost smells crisp. It's got a very crisp scent to it. So it does smell really nice and crisp. I like the way it works for my skin. Like it smells really good on my skin. It mixes well with my pH balance and everything. The Jo Malone, I would say it smells really nice, but would I purchase it? Probably not, because it's so expensive. So for me, it's not something that I feel like is necessary in my collection. I would consider purchasing the Aqua de Gioia though, because it just smells so nice and fresh. So I love that, the way that like invigorates you. It's almost like an invigorating scent, so I like that. All right, so that is all the samples from last week. So now we're gonna go ahead and pull some new samples here. So I have my makeup basket. I'm gonna pull two out of here. The first one is, ooh, what do we have here? We have something wrapped in plastic. Oh, it's a mascara. So this is the Pure Fully Charged Mascara. So let's get this out of here. So we have the Pure Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology. What? That's interesting. So I'm excited to try that out. Let's see what the wand looks like, if the wand's not too wonky. The wand's not bad, actually. So the wand looks pretty decent. It's not too big. So I think it'll work for my lashes. Then let's pull another sample of makeup. The next one is, ooh, we have something from Nars. We have the Nars Larger Than Life Longwear Eyeliner. Ooh, I don't know if I've ever tried a Nars liner, have I? I can't remember. I know I've tried the lip liners, but I don't know if I've tried the eyeliners. So, and this one's in Via Veneto. Yes, I have, because I remember that name. I remember that from like a long time ago. So I'll have to try this out and see how, oh, it's nice and smooth. I love how smooth it is. So that'll be perfect for my waterline. So I'm excited to test that out again, since like I said, it's been a while since I tested it. So let's put that basket over here. Then we're moving on to the skincare. So I'm going to pull three out of the skincare. The first one is, ooh, we have Recharge. This is the My Clarins mask, or it's a relaxing mask. It's a sleep mask. Ooh, I'm excited about that. I love masking, so, and especially if you can put it on and sleep with it on, that makes it even better. So I'm excited about testing that out. The next one, I just dropped something. The next thing is the Fizz and Bubble Lip Scrub Watermelon. Ooh, that sounds yummy. So I'm not a huge watermelon fan though, I'll be honest. I'm not keen on like eating watermelon, but I love the way it smells. So the next thing is, let's see, the last thing in here is, we have the My Clarins Re-Move. We have the Micellar Cleansing Milk. So we have a cleanser and a sleeping mask by Clarins. So we got two products this week from Clarins. So those are the two products here. This is the next one actually. Okay, so now we're moving on to the body and hair basket. So I'm gonna pull two out of here actually, not three. The first one is the Alterna. This is the Alterna Smoothing Hydra Geleé. I don't know how to pronounce that. So it's a nourishing hair perfector. I don't know. I have not tried this before. I've tried lots of things from Alterna and I love the way their products smell. So I'm excited to test this out and see how good it does for my hair, if it gives me some hydration. So the next thing is, what do we have here? We have Herbal Essence. This is the Repair Argan Oil of Morocco Conditioner. So I'll have to look through the basket, and if there is a shampoo in here as well, then I'll pull that to go along with it. But this is just an Herbal Essence shampoo. I haven't used Herbal Essence in a long time. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like tea for some reason. It reminds me like of some sort of tea I've drank before, like a Starbucks tea. So I'm excited about that. And then we have perfumes. So moving on to the perfume container. The first one is Clean Reserve. I don't know what that says. Aqua Neroli? I don't know. I don't know. This sounds familiar, but at the same time it doesn't. So I'm going to give it a little squirt. No, I've not tried that one before. That smells very different type of clean. I use the clean fragrances, but not that one. I have not tried that one, so I'm excited about that one. The next one is Rouge by Beyonce. Ooh, I know I haven't smelled this one. I haven't smelled this one either, so let's see what it smells like. Okay, I don't smell anything. Watch, I'm gonna like spill it all over myself. Oh goodness. Okay, so far that's just okay. That one's just gonna go in the okay basket for so far. I will test it out further, of course. Now we need to go ahead and pull our winner for last week. The bag that I used for last week's winner is this one right here, the leopard print bag. I couldn't figure out what the print was, and then after I recorded, I'm like, it's leopard print, Tiffany. Oh my goodness. So I have this leopard print bag full of little samples for one of you guys, and let me find my phone. I do already have the video pulled up, so I can just scroll through here and find a comment. So we're just gonna scroll and stop. The winner is April Harris. She says, hashtag sample Sunday, have a great week. So April Harris, you win this goodie bag right here. All you have to do is look in the description box below, find my email address, and then email me your mailing address, and I'll mail this out to you. So this is your bag, April. So I'm excited now to move on and give you guys some more samples. So the sample bag that I'm pulling for this week is not actually a bunch of samples. It's one sample bag. So this is a bag that I got from Ulta. So this one's already jam-packed full of samples for you guys. There's also a coupon in here for Ulta. Let me see if I can pull it out and show you kind of what's in here so over there you kind of know. But this one's already packed up for you. So that's what makes this one nice, is that I don't really have to pick anything. It's got a ton of products in here, as well as a $5 off Ulta coupon. So this is the giveaway bag for this week. If you're wanting to get this little goodie bag, all you have to do is leave me a comment, any comment. Just make sure that you do, sorry, that's like really noisy. Just make sure that you do hashtag sample Sunday, and then this little goodie bag can be yours if I draw your name next week. So I'd also love to know what samples you guys have been using. Have you found some new ones that are like holy grails that you're like, yes, I'm going to use this, I'm going to purchase this? Or have you found some that you need to warn us about? Because definitely do that as well. I'd love to know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.